Diabetes is one such metabolic disorder as we call, which is a combination of various diseases. It is not a single disease. It is a combination of various diseases, and that is the reason why this is called as a metabolic disorder. Well, one of the important websites of the medical science called as Endocrine Web. So this has listed in the, one of the articles which has been listed here. It says that the benefits of weight loss, especially if you were diagnosed with type 2 diabetes, may actually be able to reverse the disease. For others, it will reduce the risks of common but serious complications. This is very important, which means that in this particular diabetes, losing weight is one of the important things which should happen. So not only controlling or managing the sugar levels, my dear friends, but it is also important for you people to lose the weight, or people with diabetes to lose the weight, so that the secondary complications can be protected or prevented. So weight loss can protect your health in many ways. In fact, especially for the diabetes people. By losing weight, people with type 2 diabetes can improve glucose tolerance, which is important to be able to use the insulin better inside the human body. So there are many advantages of losing weight so far as a diabetic patient is concerned. They will be able to feel the boost in energy. So they will, the blood cholesterol levels or the bad fat levels will drop. You will gain protection against the heart disease. Controlling your blood sugar will be much easier and will reduce the need of medication. It will lead to the decrease in the HbA1c levels as well. You will likely sleep better, since it will reduce the risk of sleep apnea also. Why I am telling you these points are, as I told you, diabetes is not a single disease. Diabetes is actually called as a disorder. That is the reason why weight and diabetes, overweight and diabetes are like two sides of a coin. So you see, if a person is having diabetes, the overweight might also come. If a person is overweight, the diabetes might also occur. This can happen either way. That is the main reason why whenever a person with diabetes almost, it reduces the weight, reduces his or her weight, automatically the insulin secretions in the human body, similarly the reduction in the blood sugar levels, everything can be seen. So reducing weight in case of diabetes patient is a very, very important thing that everybody has to know. The other implication of this, the other importance of this, what I want to try, what I am trying to tell you here is, iCoffee is not only managing the sugar levels, my dear friends. The Salacia reticulata, which is present in this wonderful product iCoffee, is also capable of reducing the bad cholesterol levels, and at the same point of time, it can reduce your weight as well. That is the reason why understanding diabetes in terms of weight is very important. So not only this, the National Institute of Diabetes and Digestive and Kidney Diseases, they have actually given a relationship between diabetes, heart disease and paralysis stroke. This is very important. Diabetes, heart disease and paralysis stroke. These are the things which are connected to each other. So having diabetes means that you are more likely to develop heart disease and have a greater chance of having heart attack or a stroke. This is very important. See, in case of diabetes, basically there are two things what the doctor looks at. One is the microvascular complications. The second is called as the macrovascular complications. So these are the two important things what the doctors use to diagnose, as well as the doctors decide the condition of the patient based on these two situations. All these conditions what I told you right now, like the heart disease or the stroke, this actually comes under the macrovascular complications, where the bigger vessels in the organs, in the heart or in the brain, can be affected because of this diabetes, because of which the person can, the disease can be led to, ending with a heart attack or a stroke, my dear friends. That is the reason why I always call this diabetes as an epicenter of an earthquake. As you all know that earthquake has an epicenter, but the shock waves of the earthquake spread to other parts of the globe. The similar way, in the human body, the epicenter is diabetes, because of which the shock waves can be felt across the human body, from the head till the toe. From the brain till your legs, the shock waves can be felt. That is what is exactly the disorder of diabetes, my dear friends. So not only this, cardiovascular disease and diabetes, heart disease and diabetes are related to each other. There is an inseparable relationship between the diabetes and cardiovascular disease also. One of the important articles which was published in the year 2015, one of the major studies, this has claimed that at least 68% of people who are 65 years or old with diabetes die from some form of heart disease and 16% die of paralysis stroke. Very, very dangerous condition actually. One of the clinical trials has shown that 65% of the people above the age of 68% of the people above the age of 65 will either die because of the cardiac related diseases or because of the paralysis stroke related diseases. The American Heart Association also considers diabetes to be one of the 7 major controllable risk factors for cardiovascular disease. How good this statement is. The American Heart Association considers diabetes as one of the controllable factors. It can definitely be managed, my dear friends, when it is taken care at its earliest stage. So whenever the diabetes is taken care at its earliest stage, automatically the flaring up of the disease, the spreading of the disease will not happen. So automatically this cannot become a major killer in the world. But we are not taking care of this disease at the earliest stage, because of which it is leading to a lot of complications in future. This is what is the prognosis of diabetes these days, my dear friends. So I hope you got the relevance of overweight, diabetes, heart disease and stroke. All these are connected to each other, and the epicenter for this is always diabetes. So when you control the epicenter, automatically the shock waves will not spread across the body, and that is what we are, by the use of these wellness products, definitely you will be able to control those shock waves. That is the reason why I always tell these wellness products are holistic in nature. Holistic in the sense they are not organ oriented, they are not cell oriented or tissue oriented, they are complete human body oriented. They act from head till the toe. They are complete products. They are not only there for managing your blood sugar levels, but at the same point of time, all other conditions inside the human body. It might be the digestion, it might be the absorption, it might be the metabolism, it might be the excretion. All these processes will be maintained by the use of these awesome wellness products. So, my dear friends, as you all know that iCoffee is brought to you in 2 different variants, iCoffee Creamer and iCoffee Black. So as you all know that iCoffee Creamer contains the creamer which is derived from the milk, which is a milk creamer, but this is devoid of the sugar called as lactose. It is a lactose free milk creamer. We call this as a non-dairy creamer as well, NDC. Whereas iCoffee Black does not contain this particular creamer. So the next important thing is iCoffee Creamer contains 11% salcitol, whereas iCoffee Black contains 22% salcitol. In fact, iCoffee Black can be suggested for type 1 diabetic people as well. I hope the point is clear to everybody. So, and in fact, both the products does not have any added sugar in them. They do not have any sugar in them, my dear friends. So as you all know that diabetes is not a disease, it is a metabolic disorder. See, normally when there are disturbances happening inside the human body because of the blood glucose impairment, which is resulting from defects in insulin levels, insulin action, or both. This is a major reason for diabetes happening inside the human body. In fact, India is actually called as the diabetic capital of the world today. In fact, a lot of people are suffering from this non-pandemic, but still, it is a kind of a situation which has been created in India today that all of us probably in future days, if it is not controlled, this actually becomes a part of our life. That is the reason why this particular condition is also called as a lifestyle disease, my dear friends. This is what is exactly called as diabetes. And in fact, the effect of diabetes is not short term. The effect of diabetes is actually considered as long term damage and dysfunction to the human body. It is not a short term damage, it is a long term damage. This is very, very important. So, it is not one day or a 2-day affair. Probably for years together, whenever a person is affected with diabetes, the long-term damage to the vessels, the microvascular and the macrovascular complications, as I told you, will be increased inside the human body, because of which the person can suffer a lot of secondary complications till the gangrene. This is what is exactly the prognosis of this dreadful condition of diabetes is. So, there are a lot of reasons for diabetes. So the first and the foremost thing is insulin resistance, abnormal glucose production by the liver. Genetic susceptibility also plays a very important role. Obesity, as I told you in the beginning, is also one of the major contributing factor. Increasing age, bad diet also plays a very important role. Well, pre-diabetes, the major condition which is haunting India today. See, one of the articles in Forbes magazine which appeared clearly says that more than 90% of the population in India, they do not know that they are in early stages of diabetes. which in medical terms we call it as pre-diabetes. Even though this is not a dying or a deadly condition as such, but still, if not taken care, this can lead to a lot of secondary complications. This is what is exactly called as pre-diabetes, my dear friends. So far as the types of diabetes are concerned, you have the type 1 diabetes, which is called as the insulin dependent diabetes. You have the type 2 diabetes, which is non-insulin dependent diabetes. You have the gestational diabetes, which happens in pregnant women. You also have the pre-diabetes, which is a prerequisite or a prior stage of diabetes. These are the kinds of diabetes that we have. So not only this, my dear friends, as I told you, in India by 2040, by the year 2040, the number of people who will be affected with this dreadful condition can be more than 100%. This is what the doctors as well as the scientists and the statisticians are actually, the demography of this particular disease is that is actually shown right now. The clear picture is there with us right now. The projections are there with us right now. Ultimately, in years to come, in months to come and years to come, people will have this dreadful condition probably as a part of their life. So, but the other important thing, the other good thing that we have is we have our wonderful product called as iCoffee, creamer as well as black, which are considered as holistic healthcare supplements, which can certainly control and prevent this this dreadful disease called as diabetes. As I tell you, diabetes is called as a metabolic disorder. It is not a disease. Starting from a simple tiredness, weakness as we call, or fatigue condition, this particular symptom start. It can lead to the frequent urination, which we call it as polyuria. It can also lead to a lot of weight loss. It can lead to wounds that not heal. So a simple wound can be modified into something called as gangrene in the future, by which this particular gangrenous, the gangrene can not only affect your joints or the extremities or the fingers, my dear friends. There are a lot of internal organs where the gangrenes can affect. Like we have the gangrenous appendicitis. All these are some of the conditions where the internal organs of the body are also affected with diabetes. This is also a major thing that the people have to know. So always feeling of hunger. This is very, very bad. Hungry is one. Hunger or appetite is one thing that all people have. But increased hunger normally happens because of increased basal metabolic rate, the BMR, which actually enhances or increases whenever there is increase in the diabetes levels. That is the reason why people tend to eat a lot, because of which the weight gain can also happen. Sexual problems can happen in both males and females. Blurry vision problems, especially the retinopathic problems which can happen in the eyes. The vaginal infections which can happen in the women. Not only the vaginal infections, it can also lead to a lot of the the reproductive tract infections as well. The pelvic inflammatory diseases, or the PID as we call. The polycystic ovarian disease, the fibroid, the cysts of the uterus, as well as the ovaries, all these have the relationship with the impaired sugar metabolism. Numbness and tingling in the feet, we call this process as diabetic neuropathy, where the nerves in the body are affected, and always the feeling of thirst. People tend to drink a lot of water because of the increased BMR levels. This is because of which, more and more water goes inside, the more and more urine goes outside. The polyuria as well as polydipsia as we call, these are the conditions which are considered as the symptoms as well as the complications of diabetes, my dear friends. So whenever you are considering the use of iCoffee should be used as a generalized dietary health supplement for diabetes. It should never be used as a medicine, my dear friends. It should be used as a generalized dietary health supplement for managing the increased sugar conditions inside the human body. So whatever the conditions I told you right now, iCoffee is not only a product for reducing or managing your sugar levels, but all the secondary complications as well as all the symptoms of diabetes, what I told you right now, iCoffee is a holistic product which can control all these symptoms. This is very important. As I always tell you, disease is not an important thing for us. The causes of diseases is always an important thing for us. We have to eliminate the root cause of the disease rather than curing the disease always. This is what the science also tells. This is what, as a part of wellness, we should also follow, my dear friends. As you all know that iCoffee contains this wonderful patented ingredient called as salsitol. Salsitol contains the root extract of Salacia reticulata, which is also called as Ekanayakam or Saptaranga in the Indian terminologies, which is available in the textbooks of Ayurveda like Charaka Samhita dating back to 900 to 700 BC. In fact, this particular root of Salacia reticulata is used for the management of diabetes since the ages of Ayurveda, dating back to 900 to 700 BC. So, not only this, the product also contains the wonderful coffee beans. We call this as a premium quality coffee beans sourced from Coorg region of Karnataka. In fact, these coffee beans are responsible for controlling or managing the blood sugar levels. At the same point of time, it also contains the goodness of the Mucuna pruriens. We also call this as the velvet beans. These are the small seeds within the velvet beans. This particular velvet bean extract has two important things. One thing is it controls the blood sugar levels. At the same point of time, it is also important, its important function is also to boost the memory, as well as the brain functions are also improved with the use of this velvet bean extract. That is what this Mucuna pruriens or velvet bean is actually used in this product. Why I am telling you this point is, whenever a person is actually suffering from diabetes on a long run, normally the blood circulation and the glucose uptake in the brain is always impaired or altered, because of which the person is always suffering from many kinds of mental issues, psychological issues. It might be the anxiety, it might be the depression. At the same point of time, the memory loss as well as various memory related disorders will also develop. That is the main reason why, along with coffee and salsitol, we are using this wonderful ingredient called as the Mucuna pruriens or the velvet bean extract, which will help in reducing all these mental clarity related issues, my dear friends. So, coffee has a lot of other functions as well. See, coffee is not only for the flavor or the fragrance or the feel as we call. Coffee is also important for boosting the energy levels. It aids in the weight loss. It improves the physical performance. It reduces the risk of the diabetes, as you all know. It is beneficial for liver diseases. It also helps in cleaning your stomach as well as the gastrointestinal tract or the GI tract. It reduces depression. It reduces the risk of cancer. It prevents gouty arthritis, which is nothing but the increase in the uric acid levels. It is also important for people to know that coffee also has wonderful clinical trials in the management of Parkinson's and Alzheimer's diseases also. All these are the beneficial effects of coffee when you search the clinical publications as well as the scientific validations of this wonderful ingredient. So, as you all know that our coffee does not contain caffeine. It is zero caffeinated coffee. See, we use a process which is actually called as the slow roasting process. The slow roasting process actually reduces the total caffeine inside the product, whereas only the polyphenols will come out of the coffee, which is actually responsible for the antioxidant capabilities. And finally, it helps us in understanding how this wonderful product is not only a beneficial product for reducing the sugar levels, but at the same point of time, this product is a wonderful antioxidant and an immune boosting product also, my dear friends. I hope the points are clear to everybody. So with this, I would like to end this short topic on iCoffee. Now this is a question answer time. So the last week's questions, I'll take some of the 5 questions that I have here. So today my colleague Miss Asma has collected the questions for me. The first question is by Miss Vanita. If you're watching this, as per your suggestion, the reading of diabetic patient is going up after using iCoffee, the afternoon and evening. It is helped to get the readings in control. Is it the same or morning or night? See, I'll try to modify this question a bit. The last time when she has asked the question, we have suggested afternoon and night and to stop the product in the morning. And the sugar levels have controlled right now. Miss Vanita, please continue the same way. Continue it in afternoon and night only. Don't try to give it in morning and night. No, please continue afternoon and night, because this is one such case where the sugar metabolism will impair here and there. That is the reason why you continue it in afternoon and night only. I hope my point is clear to everybody. The next question is by Mr. Ritu. Miss Ritu, if you are watching this, role of iCoffee in iPulse and iCoffee in diabetes. You can use both the products, but iPulse should be 20 ml twice daily, half an hour before food. iCoffee should be 1 sachet in the morning, 1 sachet in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. I hope my point is clear to you. The next question is by Mr. Rukmani. My husband is suffering from diabetes. Sugar levels is 300. After food, can he take iCoffee? No. It should be taken once in the morning, once in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner only. I hope my point is clear. The next question by Mr. Sham. If you are watching this, eye coffee and eye glow can be used for diabetes. Absolutely yes. Eye coffee is for diabetes. Eye glow is for various skin issues. But since eye glow doesn't have any sugar content, it is all having the natural fruit concentrates. You can definitely use it in diabetic patient also. So the next question, one girl of 16 years, female, suffering from eczema on her head and body, menstrual problem is there. Eye pulse 20 ml 2 times and eye coffee we are giving. So please suggest, definitely you use eye coffee black, 1 sachet in the morning, or sorry, eye coffee black should be half sachet in the morning and half sachet in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. Eye pulse must be 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. This is how you need to use in this condition. So the next set of questions I am taking right now by Mr. Anil Kumar. If you are watching this, can we drink eye coffee first and then sugar tablets 30 minutes prior to the food? Absolutely right. First should be eye coffee, leave a gap of 15 minutes to half an hour, then you can consume the sugar tablets. The next question by Mr. Muhammad Abdul. Is eye coffee good for nervous issues? Along with eye pulse, if you are using it, is good for nervous issues. The next question is by Mr. Anil Kumar Kurupati. A person using eye coffee twice a day drinks alcohol. What measures to tell him for better results? Eye coffee should be consumed 1 hour before consuming alcohol. This is the rule that you have to follow. The other things, there are no such regulations, but 1 hour before consumption of alcohol. Feeling gas problems after consuming eye coffee by Mr. Shaji. If you are watching this, if you are feeling gas problems, add about 200 ml of warm water or hot water for making eye coffee. I hope my point is clear to you. The next question is by Mr. Banu Prakash. Can a person use eye coffee only? He doesn't want to use. Okay, can a person use eye coffee only? Absolutely yes, he can definitely use eye coffee only, but the dose must be 1 in the morning and 1 in the night, half an hour before breakfast and half an hour before dinner. Suppose if he is using eye pulse, if he is a diabetic, eye pulse must be 20 ml twice. The next question by Mr. Dilip. I have given eye coffee to diabetes, he got loose motion and stomach pain. This can happen because the basal metabolic rate or the heat inside the body can increase. That is the reason why you add around 200 ml of warm water or hot water while you are making eye coffee. So the stomach pain and the loose motion will reduce. This question is by Mr. Dilip. I hope the answer is reached you. So the next question is by Mr. Amit. A person having diabetes and other heart, liver and joint related issues, can we give eye coffee or eye pulse both? I would suggest both eye coffee and eye pulse. Eye coffee is 1 sachet in the morning and 1 sachet in the night, and eye pulse must be 20 ml in the morning and 20 ml in the night, both of them half an hour before food. Eye coffee must be the first product, leave a gap of 15 minutes. Eye pulse must be the second product. I hope the point is clear to you. The next question is by Mr. Shaji again, Shaiji Lijish. If you are watching this, can we use eye pulse for one person already using eye coffee with glucose level 196? Yes. Mr. Shaiji, if you are watching this, eye pulse must be 20 in the morning, 20 ml in the night, half an hour before breakfast, half an hour before dinner. Eye coffee must be 1 sachet morning, 1 sachet night, half an hour before breakfast, half an hour before dinner. Leave a gap of 15 minutes between these two products. In this way, if you give, the products will have the utmost benefits. I hope my point is clear to you. The next question, the last question of the day by Miss Alia Sultana. Can diabetes reverse with eye coffee? Diabetes is a palliative disease. It can only be controlled or managed. It cannot be cured. Definitely for controlling or managing diabetes, eye coffee is a wonderful product. I hope the point is clear to you, Miss Alia Sultana. So don't worry, friends. Suppose if your questions are unanswered, there is a link which will appear below where you can click the link and then you can send us your questions. We will be happy to answer that. Thank you so much for your wonderful participation. We wholeheartedly appreciate your participation in this wonderful Facebook Live series. This is Dr. Balu Kolar, Head of Product Development and Training, signing off from the desk. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day ahead.